Hello, I'm Tim Holliday from KUHN UK, and today I'm doing a quick walk round the Aero 32.1 pneumatic fertiliser spreader. This new machine is a fully mounted 3-point linkage pneumatic boom spreader with 4 working widths of 24, 27, 28 and 30 metres. Each machine is fitted with 24 distribution outlets. These are specially profiled with a curved face which is also dimpled, and for normal dressing the deflectors are facing downwards, but if we can't get the boom the right height above the crop, then these can be removed and turned upwards to create the spread pattern in the air. The position and height of the diffusers create a double overlap pattern. 4 metering units deliver the fertiliser to the boom through an air system. Air is provided through a PTO driven fan running at 1000 RPM. The hopper is fitted with sieves and can be supplied with optional hopper low level sensors. The machine is carried on 2 weigh cells, giving the operator an in-cab information about the remaining contents. Calibration tests are done on the front right hand roller of the machine. From the terminal, the operator selects the fertiliser settings through the isobus screen. Here he can put in the new application rate using the touchscreen pad. The calibration test is initiated from the screen. The section to be used is highlighted, average working speed is entered, and then pre-metering starts. Boom folding is also initiated from the isobus terminal. The new Aero has an impressive output of 360 kilos per minute. This 30-metre machine is able to apply 400 kilograms per hectare at 18 kilometers an hour. The boom height can be adjusted manually from the terminal or automatically using the distance control sensors, which are supplied as an optional feature. The metering units are driven hydraulically and independently, so 4 different application rates can be applied across the boom. Special feed rollers are also available for applications of Avodex and fine seeds. I hope you found this quick walk round video useful. If you'd like more information, please go to the KUHN website or contact your local KUHN dealer. Goodbye for now.